and welcome to my Unity how to make wonderful game video tutorial. My name is Youri Terdik and I show you today how to add a component in Unity object. Okay, this is your Unity interface. I will take my wonderful cube and you see the detail of your wonderful cube here on the right. So, what is a component and how to add a component? There is a lot of components in Unity. Components are like little bricks that you make the brick with, make the brick, and it creates a wonderful object. Okay? So, to add a component, you have to click on component here. And you see, you can make very different component. So I take a physics component, and perhaps I can take the mesh collider component, and it was added. It's amazing. Okay, so this video is finished. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the video. Please follow me on social network and please enjoy all the video. See you next time.